Welcome to this Allplan tutorial. In this video we will show you how to create a 3D PDF of your existing model. A great tool to show your 3D model to someone who's not using Allplan or a CAD system is the 3D PDF tool. In order to create one, I open my animation window and choose the perspective I want to be the main view that is seen when the 3D PDF is opened. In case you're not able to turn your model in the animation window, you should make sure the navigation mode is turned on. You can find the control button on the bottom left of the animation window. For further information, check out tutorial concerning working area. By right-clicking in the window, the context menu pops up, where you can choose 3D data export. And there you find the export of a 3D PDF. You can then choose different options as saving place, whether you would like to open the file after the export, the quality of the file, which depending on the size of your model you should choose carefully. Especially when you're planning to send the PDF via email, you should consider most email providers have size restrictions concerning attachments. I would like the file to open after I saved it, and I think 150 dpi should be enough. I confirm by pressing OK. Now I'm able to activate the functions I can use in my PDF viewer. By clicking on the file and trusting the document, I can navigate in the model by turning it around. I have different options how to navigate through the model. I can even turn on a list of the elements my model includes. I can set sections in different directions. And I can save my options so that I can come back to them again. As you can see, this is a great tool to use when you're not having Allplan with you or the person you're sending it to doesn't use it. So go ahead and try it. We hope with this video we could show you a usable tool. Thank you for the attention and enjoy using Allplan.